Welcome to the Throttle channel. Today we bring you a segment on celebrity car collection. Today we bring Dana White's car collection and his unique tuk-tuk. Dana White, the powerhouse president of the UFC, has a fortune that Forbes estimated to be over $600 million. And with that kind of success, you can bet he's got a garage to match. We're talking everything from a classic Ferrari that was his childhood dream car to a custom-built muscle machine. Dana White dreamed of owning a Ferrari. After making his first real money, he went out and bought a classic red Ferrari Tessterosa. This icon, with its 4.9-liter engine and nearly 390 horsepower, was a dream that finally became a reality. White is a huge fan of American muscle, and one of the stars of his collection is a 1971 Plymouth Barracuda, custom built for him on the TV show Muscle Car. With design input from the legendary Chip Foose and a beastly Hemi V8, this car is a televised masterpiece, mixing raw 70s power with modern performance. The unique spotlight, the tuk-tuk. A tuk-tuk. You know, the three-wheeled auto-rickshaws that are a super common way to get around in Southeast Asia. So how did the president of the UFC end up with one? As White explained it, the idea came after UFC Fight Pass started bringing in smaller fight promotions from around the world, including some Muay Thai organizations from Thailand. He got the tuk-tuk from a guy in Thailand, had it shipped all the way to Vegas, and it became a bizarre but awesome piece of memorabilia in his garage. Dana White's garage tells a story. It's about huge success, a love for horsepower, and having a sense of humor. The Tessterosa, the Cuda, or that legendary tuk-tuk? Drop a comment below and let us know. And if you want to see more insane celebrity car collections, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you don't miss the next one. Thanks for watching.